Hey YouTube, Drake Neos here, coming today with 4 new Clash of Rebellion blister packs that I got today. So, oh yeah, let's pop these bad boys open and see what we get. Alright. Let's take a look here. Good. Alright. First one I got Despot 05, Perform Mage, Fire Ferret, Salute Tiger, and Drake. Oh my goodness, and Odd Eyes, Rebellion Dragon, Secret Rare. Nice. Put it right over here. Alright, number 2. Right now I'm looking at that, that's around $7 card right now, so at this time, so. And plus, I just needed one more of that. I can't believe it, I got it. Alright. Let's see. DDD. Margrave. Balance. Storming Mirror Force. Holy cow. Oh wow. I like to put all my rares and hollows out. Two more. Wow. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. Can we get another hollow? Yeah, this is to make sure that there's no one trying to steal these packs. Oh, not that type. Okay. Royal Mage, Ray Raptor, Chin Game, Extra Buck, and oh my goodness, an Infernoid! Ulti Rare! Oh wow, this is my day. Yeah, I'm just gonna put all these out. Chicken game as well. I need another chicken game anyway. Alright. Last one. What can we get? I've been having really good luck with all these. Favorite Eyes, Pianissimo, Cosmo Town, and not so well. Alright. Oh well. And here's a quick recap. Starting out with 1 Chicken Game, Inferno Terra, Extra Buck, Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon, Mana Drake, Storming Mirror Force, DDD Oracle King Dark, and Cosmo Town. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time.